Okay, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this summary, and I'm just going to remind you, and I'm going to need your help again one more time. The director has ultimate power. They can do whatever they want, whenever they want. If they do it,
you pay.
You pay. That's right. So, let's go back and go over this. The director's office or being fined or punished by that office will not stop you from being prosecuted criminally. And we talked about that in the last section. The director may examine the activities and affairs in good faith of anyone licensed. The costs are borne or paid for by the company being examined. This is completely at the discretion of the director of insurance because they can do whatever they want, whenever they want, and you pay for it. Okay, but you have to comply with whatever their investigation or request may be. The results of the investigation are released in written form to the company within 60 days. Okay, the company has 30 days from there to respond. The director must review and make a decision within an additional 30 days. In other words, if you respond with anything, they have to review it and give 30 days to do that. Okay, if the director needs more information from there, you get 20 more days notice to collect and make whatever decision they have, but they have to provide that notice to you. The director or his representatives may issue subpoenas. The results of the examination may result in legal or regulatory action as determined by the director. The director of insurance can examine at any time at their discretion, but no matter what, they're going to look at a minimum, they're going to look at the they're going to conduct a financial examination of every insurer licensed in this state at least once every 5 years. That is the company, not you, so you understand. If the director determines that the insurer is engaged or doing business or has done an act that constitutes a violation, the director can issue a cease and desist order. Okay? If they believe you violated the law, they can issue a cease and desist, a curative order, and issue a civil penalty and fines. You have 30 days to request a hearing or the order becomes permanent. In other words, if you don't dispute it, it's done, set in stone, etched in permanently. Okay, the director can subpoena, compel witnesses to attend and review all written documents, records, books, etc. necessary to the proceedings. If a person doesn't comply, the director has the right to file an action in any court of competent jurisdiction. Failing to comply could result in the violator being fined up to $100,000 and 10 years in prison for failing to comply. Okay? They can also freeze your assets, seize and liquidate your property, obtain judgments, and so much more. Okay, summary. The director has ultimate power. He or she can examine whatever they want, whenever they want. You must comply. You must pay the expenses of the investigation, or you may be prosecuted and likely will lose your license. Violation of the license law is a Class D felony. Conducting business without a license is a Class C felony. All acts resulting in a violation are subject to license denial, revocation, or suspension. In other words, if you screw up, your